Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Incognito mode on Google Maps. To do this, it's so easy and simple. You have just to go open Google Maps, and after that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen and choose the option turn on Incognito mode. Click on it, and as you can see, so in incognito mode, and if that mode is turned on, so save your browser or search history in your account or send notification. So Google Maps will not do that, and it will not update your location history or shared location, if any, and it will not use your activity to personalize map. So if you are like, okay, just click on close and you can use Google Maps on incognito mode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.